Is
the results,
it anti-establishment?
Yes, the results are definitely anti-establishment. Movimento 5 Stelle got a majority of the vote, not unexpected. What's going to be discussed and seen with a microscope is whether the Lega and Forza Italia together combined are going to have a sufficient majority to overtake them. Movimento 5 Stelle has done an amazing job of rallying people, especially in the south. The fact is, Francine, Italians are really sick and tired of what has been happening over the last 5 years. 600,000 immigrants coming into Italy. These 600,000 immigrants getting paid a per diem salary.
So is this an anti-immigration vote? This is not a Eurosceptic vote. This is not I'm not happy with the economy vote. Do you think this is a pure anti-immigration vote?
It's also that. It's also the fact that unemployment is still very high. The millennials, for the first time, they're taking a vote because over the last 5 years, which the last elections took place in 2013, millions of Italians for the first time have had the right to vote. Most of them are unemployed. You've got 20, 30% unemployment. Some places 50% unemployment in people
but
under 25. But
unemployment's going down. If you look at the numbers.
Yes, but on a gross basis. But unemployment's going down also because of the fact that people perhaps are just sick and tired of claiming they're unemployed, and they're just doing nothing.
Marco, what does it mean for the markets? So you talked about the Forza Italia Lega. I also heard about a possible five-star movement with PD. What is the worst-case scenario for the markets and for the economy?
I actually don't forecast at all a worst-case scenario, and the reason why is because of the fact that we are, on one side, we have the polarization of the vote, people going extreme right, people going very much anti-establishment. Mattarella is going to have to choose Di Maio because he won, his party won the elections.
Well, only if he enters a coalition.
He is not going to be able to enter a coalition because a coalition, if it's made, it's going to last as long as the snow that stayed here in Rome a week ago.
But so he doesn't have to choose Di Maio. He has to choose someone who can form a government. That's what the Constitution or the agreement says.
Correct.
Who's that person?
Actually, ironically, it may go back to Gentiloni, and the reason why I could go to Gentiloni, it's a toss-up between Gentiloni and Tajani, and I'll explain to you why I don't think Di Maio is going to do it, because in the Movimento 5 Stelle, the way I see it, there is this sense of purity, which is what the Lega had many, many years ago. We will not compromise ourselves, we're pure, we're perfect and everything, and nobody is clean.